keep going, okay? I'm gonna take these veggies. Put it on. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are the new French fries. Okay, then we get some roasted peppers and broccoli. Look at all the color in that awesome dish. Okay, so anyways, all it is, okay, some pepper, garlic powder. This is fresh cilantro. Just gonna toss that on top. This is fresh parsley. Hear my dog in the background? Okay, good. All right, now, it's gonna be hard to mix up, so I'm gonna use 2 really small forks. All right, ready? Oh, I don't know if it's gonna work. You just go underneath, lightly. All right, underneath lightly. Might need a little more olive oil, okay? Don't be shy, don't be shy. Yes, all over that baby. I know, Rudy's smelling every single vegetable. I recently read that dogs don't just smell like the pasta with the veggies. They smell each and every vegetable. They smell the kale, the onions, the Brussels sprouts. So she's just barking. Okay, there we go. Now optional, if you want to just sprinkle some chicken on there, you can. All right, I'm cheating, and I just bought some chicken from the store, and I cut it up in little pieces. And there's my protein right on top. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in there. Voila. Awesome, thank you.